This one tip could make you millions and millions of pounds over your lifetime. If you're a beginner investor right now asking what stocks to buy, then this video was made for you, as you're not going to learn how to identify good opportunities and good stocks within the market simply by asking other people or even watching videos like this. You need to learn to identify them yourself. Just for a bit of context, in the past year, my rate of return in my trading 212 portfolio is 58.4%. I didn't do this investing into high-risk companies. I simply looked for a detachment between the narrative that is being pushed around a stock and the actual fundamentals of the company. For example, this is Google stock, and all the way down here in early 2025, people were believing that ChatGPT was going to completely destroy this company. Rather than believing all the narratives and reading into the headlines, I looked at the actual fundamentals of the company. I realized their revenue was still growing extremely quickly. They were growing quickly across AI and cloud and all these little things. I put the pieces together and decided that, you know what, the market is wrong. I believe Google is going to be a winner within the AI sector. They had so much cash to burn through, and even if they didn't become successful in a year or so within the whole AI space, I believed eventually they'd be one of the winners. So I put my money where my mouth was and invested most of my money into this high quality company. And from the lows of 2025, this stock ended the year up around 60%, which of course contributed a lot to my rate of return for that year. And in 2026, the two big bets I have is first being Uber. And again, I believe this is in a similar position to where Google was last year. The whole narrative around Uber at the moment is very negative. People believe they're going to be disrupted by autonomous vehicles, but in my personal opinion, I think it's actually going to help grow this company quicker than ever before. Uber don't need to own any of the physical assets. They can simply just be a middleman or an aggregator in order for rides to take place. And with an active network of over 200 million active monthly users on the platform, I think a lot of AV companies will partner with Uber, like we're already seeing at the moment, in order to try and scale up the whole autonomous vehicle industry. My second big bet is Amazon. I've spoke about this company a lot on my channel already, but my main bullish thesis for this company is AWS being the largest cloud computing service in the world. And with the whole AI revolution we're seeing at the moment, I think Amazon and AWS are going to massively benefit from this. If you found value in this video and want to see more videos like this, follow my page and like for more.